Hello everyone, welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 25th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. So let's first discuss about the open and closure analysis of Nifty. Today a dramatical expiry with the monthly expiry of both the Nifty and Bank Nifty. As we said, the prediction is between the 21,300 to 21,700. This is the range we predicted for the today's even trade setup. That is the expected range. So as same, the market closed in this range only. So that's how we are predicting and why it is important. And you can see the direction between 150 points up or down in both direction, but where exactly more the option sellers have been written or the straddle have been taken, and where the more option sellings been done in a huge volume, where that how the market they will make a bound, they will not make to go either beyond to that or above to that. Then only the option sellers can make money. It's not about the option buyers who is buying the naked will be having a more gaining. So the persons who are making, the traders who are making the option selling is the minority peoples who will be making more profit than the people majority who are buying the buyings or put options as a naked options. So that's why the volatility seen both in Bank Nifty and Nifty expiry. So Nifty gone down to the level of 21,280 levels where the strong support was there. Then from there the market corrected. If you see in the 15 minutes candle, within last 15 minutes there was a recovery of almost like 130 points. Then the correction was happening. So this is how you will always see when there is a monthly expiry is happening. So weekly expiry volatility comparingly, monthly volatility will be more higher. Normal trader cannot make profit in this type of volatility. That's why always SEBI and when there is opening your login, it's saying 9 out of 10 traders is making loss only. Who are that 1% who are making the option sellers? The option buyers, most probably, if they are not betting or hedging properly, they will be losing. So no need to have a further more detailed discussion. That's how the ends. So the market ended, the January month ended lower than the closure level of December level. So once we have to go long, we have to see the key support level of 21,650 levels to be crossed decisively. Then only we can go long. In between time, next week there is a budget. So meantime the volatility will still continues. The same we seen today with the Bank Nifty also. If you see, so it touched yesterday's low, it broken yesterday's low level, then from there it recovered, and most recovery coming in the last 15 minutes. And today again the HDFC was under selling pressure, we can say, and Kotak Bank also was down, and SBIN also down. So the major contribution coming from the banking sectors, and also for the Nifty, the IT sectors been underperformed today after a long time. So those also been one of the key reason why the Nifty fall. So that's about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. We see the same movement of volatility next week also. However, based on this movement, the volatility index have not gone higher. It down by 3.5%, which ended with 13.87. That is something positive. So below 12, when the volatility index comes, then we will say direction. Still underground, the momentum is bullish only, so no need to worry about. So as we keep on saying, it's a time for opportunity to pick the quality stocks. Coming to key stock analysis, that quarterly analysis, today we are going to discuss about ITC, which they are going to declare up on January 29th. So the net profit expecting from the brokerages, or they are expecting 5,183 as a Q3 profit, which is up by 3%. And so they are expecting their segment is differented. Like the ITC hotel, they are expecting there will be a strong growth with 15 to 20 percentage year on year. Cigarette volume seems to be expansion with more than 3 percentage on year, and agribusiness may be seeing 20 percentage on year growth in revenue. However, the paperboard business should be recording, they will be having a decline of 5 percentage. This is what they are expecting. So the market analyst will be keenly looking how their business been with the agri business. That's how, because their wheat and rice imports been banned since the government have banned the wheat and rice imports, there could be a decline in their business revenue. So that's why the brokerages will be keenly looking into agri and paper packing businesses, how the ITC is performing. Based on that, we can see good momentum with ITC. I'm currently holding in my portfolio one of the major stock stake in ITC in my portfolio. So if it's coming down below to that 450 levels, I will be adding some stocks. So they're expecting the average net profit after profit after tax, which will be the range 5,183 from the 6 brokerages, which is Prabhudas Lilladher, JM Financial, Kotak Institutionals, Elara Securities, Motilal Oswal, S Securities. They all combinedly, we are getting into a conclusion average expecting 5,183 crores. So EBITDA, which is earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, they also setting the range of around 6,200 levels and an average, and the revenue around the range of 17,000. So if the market estimates been met, so we can see some up movement with ITC. Otherwise, there will be a downward trend can be seen to the level of 420 to 430 levels. Let's wait for the results on January 29th, since it is one of the key stock in FMCG. Always we have anyway we have told before, FMCG sector is going to post up not big good results since because of the drawback in the rural sites. Hindustan Unilever been down after their results, so we have to wait and watch ITC how it's going to perform. That's about ITC Q3 analysis. Coming to some key stocks Q3, Hindustan Petroleum Q3 profit jumps 3 times, which is the previous they reported 174 crores in a year ago quarter. So this time they posted 529 crores total. So this stock already rallied much. We have to see how some more short covering will be there or not. JSW Steel also, they're expecting a very good profit, more than 2,450 crores. It will be a 5 times of their profit from the previous times. So they're expecting a net profit around 3,556 crores for a third quarter. Yet to be the result to be announced. Coming to ACC quarterly results, they are expecting also 5-fold return from the ACC, around 538 crores. Also, they have acquired the 55% remaining stake from Asian Concrete and Cements also, which is also around 775 crores value. It's positive for this stock. We have to wait for the official results to come in. Coming to some key news, Defense Ministry to buy 14 fast patrol vessels from Muscon Dock with order of 1,070 crores. This is positive for this stock. This stock is been bullish with and this having many orders in its books. So the stock is trading at the value of 2,343. Next, Glenmark has been connecting with the licensing pact of Jiangsu Alpha Mab 3D medicines for cancer drug, which is one of the key monopoly which is globally approved for the treating of cancers. They are going to have an agreement with this joint connection. By producing this medicine, they will be a supplier for the India, Asia and all the Middle East, Africa, Russia and Latin America. So this stock is currently trading at 891 after from the recent fall which was trading before around 1,200. Based on this success, the stock may have a potential to go upward. Coming to a global news, China Central Bank, which we also told yesterday, to improve their liquidity in the cash with the bank, they said the banks to cut the amount of cash from the bank which hold the reserves which more than their reserve category criteria. So that will be useful for the economic recovery, which where their stock market is been downing for recent years. So this is going to be applicable from February 5th onwards. So that's about the global news. I hope tomorrow our market will be closed on behalf of Republic Day, and our market will be opening on 29th only. So we will see some actions today with the US market with their GDP data, and there is a next day also US market will be open. So our Monday market will be open either gap down or gap up, that is for sure as predicted. So let's see how it's going to have it tomorrow and today US market. Then we will analysis in the week ahead program in Dalal week ahead program. That's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial. Please subscribe to the channel. If you like our video, please like and share to your network. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.